Alright guys, time to get serious. Time to draw another Dragon Ball character. In this video, we're gonna draw Rigor from Dragon Ball. Well, Dragon Ball Z. Honestly, I don't know where he's from. I think it's called Dragon Ball The Next Generation. Anyways, Rigor is basically Vegeta's brother, who we never saw in the anime, but I feel like we have. And, well, he's a Saiyan who survived from Planet Vegeta's explosion against Frieza. He's kind of like Raditz, only he's Vegeta's brother. There we go, there's Rigor's head. There we go, there's his head. There we go. There's his hand.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a painting to a
There's his hand here. Did you know that Rigor is married? Great for him. Congratulations. Can't wait to see him and his wife in the new Dragon Ball series. Did you know that there's a Saiyan called Anuma, father of all Saiyans?
Here comes the big boss. Let's get it on. We took the bow and made a stand. Started swaying with the hand. A sudden motion made me skip. Now we're into a brand new trip. Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Now we just draw his tail.
Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. But they did it with expert timing.
There we go. That's how you draw Rigor. Pretty awesome, huh? Worth it. Anyways, that's how you draw him. So, what other characters from Dragon Ball would you guys want me to draw? Leave a comment below on what you guys want me to draw next. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. So anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later.